There are literally thousands of recipes for organic vegetarian meals on the internet. Here, we will focus on 2 recipes that make sure you get the nutrients that you're often missing if you don't eat meat and fish. The best source of omega-3 is fish. However, to ensure you get it in an organic vegetarian diet, you need to include chia or flax seeds and walnuts. You can just snack on organic walnuts, but they are delicious made into a pesto sauce to serve with pasta. All ingredients should be organic, such as 6 lovely plump cloves of garlic, 50 grams of shelled walnuts, 75 grams of fresh basil, 50 grams of fresh parsley, 90 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 125 ml of extra virgin olive oil, and Himalayan salt and black pepper. Here's what to do. 1. Toast the unpeeled garlic and walnuts in a thick bottomed pan for approximately 5 minutes. Shake the pan to prevent them burning. 2. Peel the garlic. 3. Put the garlic, walnuts, herbs, cheese and oil in a food blender. Blend until smooth. 4. Add salt and pepper. And 5. Store in the fridge in a sealed container. Porridge. Another delicious way to get omega-3 into the vegetarian diet is porridge made from organic chia seeds. It's a delicious way to start the day. Plus, chia is also a great source of zinc, another nutrient often missing in a vegetarian diet. You need zinc to help your body fight illness, so it's really important to get it into your diet. Here's what you need. 40 grams of organic chia seeds, 400 ml of milk, almond or coconut are particularly delicious, 1 tablespoon of organic ground flaxseed, organic fruit of your choice, berries work best, and organic honey. Try and buy local or Manuka if you can afford it. 1. Soak the seeds in the milk overnight. They will absorb the liquid. 2. In the morning, cook on a medium heat until the mixture bubbles and starts to thicken. 3. Serve in a warmed bowl, sprinkled with the flaxseed. Top with fruit of your choice and drizzle with honey. We would love to hear your ideas in the comments, so let us know. Also, please like this video, subscribe, and we will see you soon with another video. Living a vegan lifestyle means eating foods that are not from an animal in any way. This obviously includes meat and fish, but also products made from animals, such as eggs, milk, cheese, butter, etc. As vegans are not getting all their nutrients from their food that meat eaters get, it is important that the food they do eat is as healthy as possible. One way to do that is to eat organic food. No more sweets. It occurs to people adopting the vegan lifestyle that they may no longer be able to enjoy cakes. This is because the majority of cake recipes contain 2 animal products, eggs and butter. Margarine springs to mind as a substitute for butter, but if you wish to eat organically, margarine is definitely not an option. Fat in cakes is for moisture. In vegan cakes, this can be provided by organically produced oils, avocado, nut butters, and even sweet potatoes. Egg alternative. Replacing eggs can be a little trickier, but there is a little known replacement known as aquafaba. This is the liquid that most people throw away when using a tin of organic chickpeas. To use it, you simply whisk it with your food mixer. It billows up like a fluffy cloud, just like egg whites do when you whisk them to make meringue. Cheese. While we are talking about savoury foods, cheese is a big stumbling block for people who want to go vegan. You can make cheese from nuts, such as cashews, almonds, and even hemp. Many of the recipes online include nutritional yeast. This can be bought in health food stores and is in the form of dried flakes. Meat alternatives. If you are considering changing to an organic vegan diet, you may be concerned that you will miss meat. There are meat substitutes that are widely available, and these can be found organically, but many can be soy-based. Finally, milk. There are many other organic milk alternatives available in all supermarkets. Many of these are made from nuts and are delicious. We would love to hear your recipes or organic cooking tips for vegans in the comments below. Thanks for watching.